Hey, what's up? I'm Ambitious Anthony, and thank you for joining me on AMTV. So today I'm going to be doing a tutting drill called King Tuts Ins and Outs. There's a few levels to this, so I'm going to start off with the basic. I find this is a really good beginning place when it comes to learning tutting. So you're just going to start off with your hands right here. Okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to remember these 6 positions. I call this ground zero. So you're here, and then you're just going to go out to 1, back in 2, down to 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, again, slowly, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what's really important is when you're doing this, you really want to pay attention to what your lines look like, okay? You want to get this 90-degree angle and have a flat hand. Flat hand. It's so important, the flat hand, okay? Quite often I talk to my students about having hands like this, and we call them mountains, and then I ask you the question, what happens when people fall off of mountains? That's right, they die. Don't kill people with bad tutting, all right? Keep your hands flat. Just keep your hands nice and flat. And then if you notice, this part of my arm is straight up and down. So you want this part of your arm straight up and down, and then you want your hands flat like this. Tuck your thumbs in. You can put them under, or you can put them at the side. I prefer at the side, personally. Okay? Again, I'm not over flex, and I'm not mountaining. Flat hands, okay? And again, just going over those positions. So you're starting from here, and you're going 1. Now, if you notice, when you get to here, from my elbow to elbow, there's 1 line. That's what you're trying to achieve. Bring it back in, 2. Then you go down here, 3. When you're down here, you want to lock your elbows, okay? No slight bends in your elbows. Lock them, okay? 3. Then you're going to go to here, 4. Then you're going to go back, 5, 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I said, this is ground zero. So ground zero is the foundation for the rest of the tuts that you're going to be learning in King Tuts Ins and Outs. And the reason why it's called King Tuts Ins and Outs, because this is what I call a King Tut, and then it's going in and then going back out, right? And this is King Tut down, in, and out, okay? It's personally what I call King Tuts Ins and Outs, right? Now moving forward, we're going to take it from ground zero to gear 1, all right? So you're standing here and you're going to go like this, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. That is gear 1, okay? Go over it as many times as you need to in order to understand it, and then move forward from there, okay? Now, after you get gear 1 and you're confident, we're moving on to gear 2. Now, gear 2, there's a little alteration in gear 2, okay? Now, what you have to learn to do now is you want to learn to flip your wrist. So you're going to go and flip your wrist. Now, you want to make your hands as flat as possible, okay? As flat as possible, okay? If your hands aren't flat, you can stretch them out. Feel free to do it on the wall. You can go this way as well. Again, the important thing is keeping your fingers together while you're practicing it, right? So even though you're stretching it so well, don't let your fingers do this and be like, oh, relax. No, hold them together. Keep them strong, right? So again, like I was saying in this part, what we want to do is flip your wrist, okay? So we're going to go 1, flip, 2, flip, 3, flip, 4, flip, 5, flip, 6, flip, 7, flip, 8, flip, 9, flip, 10, flip, 11, flip, 12, flip. Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, flip, 2, flip, 3, flip, 4, flip, 5, flip, 6, flip, 7, flip, 8, flip, 9, flip, 10, flip, 11, flip, 12, flip. All right? Again, that is gear 2. All right? Actually, let's rewind even further. Now, if you think about it from the beginning, at ground zero, we go over just the positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? In gear 1, we take it up a notch by doing one hand at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In gear 2, we take it up another notch by adding the wrist flip, right? So you go 1, flip, 2, flip, 3, flip, 4, flip, 5, flip, 6, flip, 7, flip, 8, flip, 9, flip, 10, flip, 11, flip, 12, flip. If you want me to see your videos, hashtag AMTuts2020. At me on Instagram, at Mr. Ambitious A, and I'll check them out. Now, thank you guys for joining me today. We did ground 0, gear 1, and gear 2. In the next video I'm going to be sharing with you guys, I'm going to do gear 3 and gear 4. You really want to drill what you've learned in this video because gear 3 and gear 4 are definitely a lot more challenging than gear 1 and gear 2. Practice, work hard at it until you get it down. And again, work on your angles being clean and clear. And until next time, we'll settle for less. Be ambitious. Hey Dance Nation, when learning dance, it helps if you have the right music. So, the hip-hop song of the day is... If you're a younger member, please search the clean version or the instrumental. If you'd like to have me come into your school or dance studio, you can email me at info@ambitiousmovement.com. Hopefully, this video is helpful. If you'd like to learn more dance moves, click here. If you'd like to learn more grooves, click here. If this is your first time on our channel, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell so that you don't miss out on our latest moves and grooves.